In just 4 minutes, we're drawing Santa Claus. And yes, you can totally do this. And at the end of this video, I'll show you one small thing I did. Most people never even notice it. First things first, we need to find the center of the sketch. It might look useless, but trust me, I do this in every single drawing. When I finish, everything ends up perfectly centered. I've finished the 3 main circles here. Pause the video, draw them with me, then come back. Now we add the mustache, just 2 simple curves like this. The mouth is only half a circle. 2 light lines above the eyes for the eyebrows. This entire drawing depends on just one thing: circles and oval shapes. I know what you're thinking. My hand isn't good at drawing circles. That's totally normal. Here's the trick. Don't press hard. Start lightly on the side of the paper. Draw loose circles over and over. Once your eye starts recognizing the circle, only then you slowly press the pencil. This way you don't get frustrated from the start, and you actually enjoy the process. Now we start defining the face. Here's a real drawing secret. Never draw a line that doesn't connect to the previous one. Every line should continue the story. You might not fully get it now, just watch closely what I'm doing. Notice this, I don't start the chin before finishing the head. This technique is something I use in most of my drawings. Santa's features are starting to appear now. At this point, the face is done, but watch what happens when we add just a little shading. See the difference? I draw the body in a very simple shape. If the video feels fast, pause it. Step by step, it's much easier than it looks. Now I start shading, and you can already feel how much softer the drawing becomes. Remember what I mentioned at the beginning? I drew this entire sketch using just one pencil, a Staedtler 8B, and I managed to get more than 4 different shading tones. This proves something important. But honestly, you don't need this exact pencil. Any brand works. Even a 4B will do the job. I just tried this one and really liked it. The graphite is smooth and the tones pop nicely. Tools are not the real obstacle. Practice is. I was exactly where you are right now. But because I kept going, I slowly got better. If you liked this drawing, try it yourself and tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me keep going. And if you want to see a more advanced shading level, check out my Walter White drawing right here.